Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to disable your USB ports on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to disable all your USB ports like pen drive and like USB keyboards or USB mouse, so I will show you how to do this. In this I will show you two methods. The first method is you have to just click on this search menu, then type here device manager. Click on the device manager. In last you will find universal serial bus controller. Double click and expand it. Here you have to disable all the USB drivers one by one. Just right click, disable device. Again go to the another driver, right click and disable device. And same you have to do for all these USB drivers. After doing this, just restart your PC. After restarting, all your USB will be disabled. So this was the method 1, and the another method is you have to just click on the search menu again, then type here run. Click on the run. Here you need to type one command, that is gpedit.msc. Click on OK. Just expand this side window. Here under computer configuration you will find administrative templates. Double click and expand it. After that you will find your system. Double click and expand. Now scroll down. Here you need to find removable storage access. Double click, or you have to just single click on that. Then come to the right side. In right side you will find all removable storage classes, deny all access. You have to just double click on that. Here you have to just click on enable, then click on apply, then click OK. After that restart your PC. After restarting, all your USB ports will be blocked. That's it guys. So in this way you can block all your USB on your Windows 10, 11 or 7 or 8, whatever Windows you are using. This function will work in all the Windows. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.